What's going on, everyone? Oh geez, that sun, my goodness, I don't have my sunglasses. Anyways, what's going on? Hope you all are having a good day or morning, whatever time it might be that you're watching this. So today we're working on the Ranger, as you can tell by the title. And first things first, we got to go get a battery for it, and I am going to buy the PCV valve for it because I honestly think that is the issue with this guy. Let's I got stung by a murder hornet here. Just kidding, just a regular wasp, but they keep hanging around everywhere. Looking it up, that seems to be the issue with these trucks and what goes bad on them and why the crankcase pressure will shoot up and then it will blow all the oil out of the dipstick, which is what happened to the previous owner. He said it all came out of the dipstick, nowhere else, and from the looks of it, I would have to agree on that one because I can't see any oil coming out like the head or valve or anything like that. So we're gonna go to the store, get a new PCV valve. They're like $10. Get a battery for it and oil because it doesn't have any. So before we even crank it, I want to get some oil in here and see what happens. But anyways, let's go to the store. And while I'm at the store getting everything, I'm going to leave you guys with the video from this weekend. I have some short clips of me on the jet ski, so I will catch you guys after that. Went to just go drain the oil, got back from the store, and yeah, it's very watery oil here. So fortunately I don't think it is just a PCV valve, and it is gonna need head gaskets. So yeah, we're gonna have to tear down this motor, at least take off the heads and everything. So still want to get this engine drained. Oh yeah, it's definitely got coolant. Yeah, it smells like coolant. Alright, let me drain this and I'll get back with you guys. Just threw the battery in and new oil. I know coolant came out from the bottom, but I still want to try and get it to fire. Okay, so this lock is just busted, it looks like, because that side was locking, this side's not. But let's see what happens if we try and turn her on, or turn him on. Oh yeah. Yeah, I think that motor's seized up. Yeah, I think that motor is just locked up. So if the motor's locked up, we are for sure gonna have to get a whole new one. So that's all right. That's kind of what I was planning on anyways. So one thing I want to do is check the spark plug right quick. I think I grabbed too long of an extension. So we'll just set that up here somewhere. Grab this spark plug because it seems to want to turn over and then it stops. Holy crap. Look at that guy. Let's grab another spark plug off of this thing. Because the problem is, if it is hydro locked, that means there is water in the cylinders, and water in cylinders means it could possibly have bent a rod, and if it bent a rod, then we for sure need to replace the motor. Okay, it seems like he already had all these spark plugs off, or somebody did, because they are very loose. Oh yeah, look at that one. I don't know if you guys can even see that. Yeah, I can smell burning oil on it. There's a bunch of crud in there. Seems like there's even water in there. Okay, so this spark plug definitely had water or coolant. I keep saying water, but it is coolant. Not as bad as driver rear bank, passenger center bank. Both had the most coolant. But I think the actual motor is very seized up. So I'm gonna try and put this back in. So, all right, check the plugs. Definitely, that one has coolant, and this middle one definitely had coolant in it. All right, so check the plugs, and well, definitely have coolant in here, which means I don't think I want to risk using this block unless we rebuild it. But even then, it's, I don't know how long it was running with water in it. It does seem like it's hydro locked, and for me to just replace the head gaskets on it, still kind of risky, because even then, if there's water throughout the whole block, the lower crank bearings could have got rusted and bad, and then who knows what could happen afterwards, even redoing the head gaskets and then a bearing fails or something like that. Don't want to risk it. Just going to go get another engine and probably do the gaskets on that one before I throw it in, just to be safe on that aspect of things. So the last part kind of ended weirdly, probably. I had a whole nother outro set talking about going to go get a new motor for this from Junkyard, which I was able to find one about an hour from me. I don't know if they have it. I haven't called yet because my father brought this up. Yes, I could just throw a new motor in this, call it a day, done. But do you guys want to see me pull this one out, tear it all the way down to the block, piss like everything out, see what the issue is? Because yes, it has water in the cylinders, yes, it had water down in the crank, yes, it is pretty much seized up, it still slightly moves. However, I don't know if it blew a head gasket for, like, if it actually blew a head gasket or if it's got a crack in the cylinder wall somewhere. But if you guys want to see me pull this engine out, tear it down, and maybe rebuild the engine that's in this truck and throw it back in, let me know, because that might be what I end up doing. So let me know down below in the comment section. Maybe I'll put a poll up here. Otherwise, I don't know if people actually do those polls. So down in the comment section, let me know what you guys rather see me just pull this block out, toss it out the window, put a new engine, or new to this truck engine with lower mileage in. Basically, it's up to you guys at this point. Let me know, because I don't know, maybe it would be a lot more fun to rebuild the engine on this, because now I'm starting to think it would be, because I rebuilt the engine on that guy. Haven't done this one, hopefully never have to, and I've rebuilt other engines. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I greatly appreciate it, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.